Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we learn and solve exercise 9, 9C, chapter 9. Chapter name is Basic Geometric Figures of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. Today we learn about angles, how to find out the angle, how to measure the angle and types of angles. First, what is angle? An angle is formed when OA when two rays intersect with each other at the point O. This is point O is called vertex. When these two rays intersect with each other at the point O with any point, then an angle is formed. This is called AOB. This is AOB angle. An angle is represented with this symbol. Angle, measuring angle AOB or angle AOB. This is the representation of angle. How to represent the angle with the symbol? This is the symbol AOB. And we can write BOA also. BOA. We can represent AOB or BOA. AOB is same as BOA. AOB, BOA. Now, how to measure the angle? With the help of this compass. This is the compass protractor, or you can see compass protractor. Now, types of angles. What are the different types of angles? First is acute angle. When the angle is between 0 and 90 degree. Zero and 90 degree. Here angle AOB. This angle is less than 90 degree, then that angle is called the acute angle. If the angle is less than 90 degree, then the angle is called acute angle. Less than 90 degree, acute angle. Then second one is right angle. When the angle is equal to 90 degree. Then that angle is called right angle. Here this is 90 degree. This is A, O, B. AOB is 90 degree. Then this angle is called right angle. Then obtuse angle. When the angle is more than 90 degree. This is 90 degree, this one. But here, this is more than 90 degree. This A, O, B. This is C. This AOB angle is more than 90 degree. BOC is 90 degree. BOC is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And AOB angle equal to BOC angle which is 90 degree right angle plus AOC angle. AOC is acute angle and 90 degree this is right angle. Then AOB, यहाँ पे AOB angle है obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is formed with the combination of right angle and the acute angle. ये 90 डिग्री ये एक्यूट राइट एंगल है और AOC है एक्यूट एंगल. BOC is right angle that is 90 degree and AOC is acute angle that is less than 90 degree. And AOB is obtuse angle that is more than 90 degree. Now acute angle is less than, if the angle is less than 90 degree then that angle is called right angle and then that angle is called acute angle, and if the angle is equal to 90 degree then that angle is called right angle, and if the angle is more than 90 degree then that angle is called obtuse angle. अगर एंगल 90 डिग्री है तो that is right angle. Right angle is equal to 90 degree and acute angle है acute angle less than 90 degree and obtuse angle है more than 90 degree. Okay. Now these three angles done. Then what is zero angle? What is zero angle? If the angle is equal to 0 degree. यहाँ पे प्रोट्रैक्टर होगा, यहाँ पे तुम प्रोट्रैक्टर में यहाँ पे 0 डिग्री रिप्रेजेंट करता है यहाँ पे, तो दैट इज AOB. यहाँ पे 0 डिग्री दिखाता है वहां पे प्रोट्रैक्टर. हाँ Sin is 0 degree. That is 0 angle. And what is straight angle? Straight angle if the angle is equal to 180 degree. If the angle is lying on a straight line, ये है 180 degree. This is called straight angle. And reflex angle, if the angle is between 180 degree and 360 degree. This is 180 degree and this is 360 degree. This angle is called reflex angle. This is A, this is O, and this is B. Then this angle is 360 degree. This A, this one, replace angle, not 360. This is the straight angle is, this straight angle is 180 degree, and this whole angle, this circle is 360 degree whole. This one is 180 and this whole. Upside and downside. All total is 360 degree. Circle means circle. This half circle is 180 degree and this half circle is 180 degree. Then total full circle is 360 degree. And reflex angle is the angle between 180 degree and 360 degree. That is reflex angle. If the angle is between 180 degree, this is 180 degree half and this one is between 360 degree, not whole. If the whole, then that will be 360 degree. But here reflex angle is between 180 degree, more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, more than 360, more than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. If the angle is less than 360 degree and more than 180 degree, then that angle is called reflex angle. Now what is zero angle? If the angle is 0 degree, you can check it with that protractor, that is compass. If the angle is 0 degree, then that angle is called zero angle. If the angle is 180 degree, then that angle is, if the angle is right angle means if the angle is lie on the straight line. If the angle is 180 degree, then that is called straight angle. And if the angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, then that angle is called reflex angle. Now what is complete angle? Complete angle is whole. That is already we discussed. This is the whole, that is 360 degree. 360 degree, this is called complete angle. Then what is congruent or equal angle? Congruent or equal angle. If the two angles are of same measure, that is, if this angle AOB is equal to 60 degree and this POR is also 60 degree, then these two angles are called congruent or equal angle. Then AOB is congruent to POQ. This is the congruent symbol. Congruent symbol. Now what is complete angle? If the angle is equal to 360 degree, then that angle is called complete angle or whole angle. Or congruent or equal angle is if the two angles are of same measure. That is, if one angle is 60 degree and another angle is also 60 degree, then that both angles are congruent or equal angle. अगर एंगल 360 डिग्री होगा तो दैट इज कंप्लीट एंगल और होल एंगल. अगर दोनों एंगल सेम मेजर के होंगे, दैट इज एक एंगल होगा 90 डिग्री और अनदर एंगल आल्सो 90 डिग्री होगा तो बोथ आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट और इक्वल एंगल. We can measure the angle with the help of protractor or compass. In next class, in 7th or 8th class में measure करोगे वो rounder, that is compass. Using the help of compass you can measure the angle, but in this class you can measure the angle with the help of protractor. प्रोटेक्टर में नंबर वहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट होता है, उसको देख के यहाँ पे उसको लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. उसको लाइन कहाँ पे वो नंबर है उस लाइन पे तुम्हारा वो पेंसिल लेके वहाँ पे डॉट देके वो लेंथ उसका ड्रॉ करना है. दैट इज ओनली इन क्लास 6. Here example, draw right angle. Then now we'll solve question exercise 9D. 9D का है in this class we discuss about angle, how to represent angle, that is this is the symbol, and how to measure angle, that is with the help of protractor. Measure angle. Then types of angles. First one is acute angle. If the angle is less than 90 degree, then that is acute angle. Right angle. If the angle is equal to 90 degree, then that is right angle. Obtuse angle. If the angle is more than 90 degree, then that is obtuse angle. Zero angle. If the angle is equal to 0 degree, then that is zero angle. Complete angle. If the angle is equal to 360 degree, then that is complete angle. Straight angle. If the angle is equal to 180 degree, that is straight angle. And reflex angle, reflex. If the angle is less than, if the angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, that angle is reflex angle. And congruent angle is if two angles are equal, then that is called congruent or equal angle. Congruent or equal angle. If two angles are equal, AOB or POQ are equal, then that is called congruent or equal angle. This is a symbol, congruent symbol. Okay, that's only. In next class, we will solve question number exercise 90. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.